Retirees, let's go. Hi, this is Charlie Fuller, certified business coach for over 20 years. And today we're going to be talking about how to start a small business online for seniors in 2024. So starting an online business is a great way for citizens to stay active and supplement their income, whether it's blogging, coaching, or maybe selling products online. There's plenty of opportunity to explore. Now, on the internet, at your fingertips, you have the possibilities of endless searches. Another question that pops up is it too old to be, if I'm 65, is it too old to start a business? And the takeaway is, you're never too old. Regardless of your age, the key to success is having a good idea and being dedicated to making it work. Now, that's true whether you're fresh out of a university or recently retired. So just to give you some ideas, following are some online business ideas to help aspiring retirees to brainstorm with. Let me just say it's a good idea considering your expertise and your interest as a starting point for identifying the online business. Now, the ideas range from e-commerce stores, social media marketing, freelance graphic designing, to writing. Other options include ebook writing, blogging, business coaching, college coaching, online fitness training. Now, also, selling handmade goods is huge. Affiliate marketing, where you actually sell somebody else's products, accounting or bookkeeping, online personal assistance, travel planning, online therapy, PR consulting, podcasting, life coaching, and starting your own YouTube. Now, many of these ideas can be started part-time and expanded into a full-time business. Now, one of the best ways to market to seniors is to post videos on YouTube, because the over 65 represent 9% of the 2.7 billion users, which is 24,300,000 seniors using YouTube. Are you ready to take your business to new heights of success? Look no further, because our expert-led training program is here to help you unlock your full potential. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or an established business owner, our program is designed to provide you with the essential knowledge and skills needed to thrive in the online business world. With years of experience in the industry, our team of experts has crafted a comprehensive training curriculum that covers every aspect of the online business success. Our program is not just about theory, it's hands-on and practical. We believe in learning by doing, and so you'll have the opportunity to apply your newfound knowledge and skills to real-world scenarios. Plus, our highly successful Whiz Kid will provide personalized guidance and support throughout the program, ensuring that you're going to be on the right track to achieve your goals. So don't wait any longer to unlock the secrets of online business. Join our expert-led training program today and start transforming your business for the better. We want to thank you for watching this video on retirement entrepreneurship. And if you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Now, there's a following video that will give you some additional information. And so until next time, thanks for watching. This is Charlie Fuller, certified business coach.
Scene script. Have you ever thought about starting your own online business? Picture this: a venture where you're the boss, setting your own hours, and transforming your unique skills and passions into profit. This is the empowering world of online businesses. They offer an unparalleled blend of flexibility and potential profitability, making them a particularly attractive option for seniors. The beauty of the digital landscape is that it's vast and varied. You could create an e-commerce store, become a social media marketer, or even offer freelance graphic design or writing services. If you've got a knack for coaching or consulting, why not launch a business coaching service, a college consulting firm, or even a tutoring service? And if fitness or wellness is your forte, consider online fitness training or even online therapy. From selling handmade goods, affiliate marketing, and bookkeeping to travel planning, podcasting, life coaching, and even starting a YouTube channel, the possibilities are virtually endless. Intrigued? Let's delve deeper into how you can start your own online business. The first step to starting your online business is identifying your business idea. It's key to align this idea with your passions, skills, and expertise. Why? Because this alignment serves as the fuel that drives your business, and it's also what makes it unique. Now let's dive into some examples of successful online business ideas. Consider the realm of e-commerce. It's vast, ranging from selling handmade crafts to running a full-scale online retail store. If you have a knack for social media, why not venture into social media marketing? Help brands optimize their online presence and reach a wider audience. Perhaps you have a flair for design or a way with words. Freelance graphic design or writing might be your calling. From creating captivating logos to penning compelling articles, the digital world is your oyster. Remember, the best business idea is one that resonates with you. Once you've identified your business idea, it's time to plan your business. A well-laid plan is key to the success of your online business. To start, defining your target market is crucial. Who are they? What are their needs, and how can your business fulfill them? This understanding will shape your product or service and how you market it. Next, identify your unique selling proposition. What sets your business apart from others? Maybe it's your exceptional customer service, or perhaps it's your innovative product. Whatever it is, make it clear. Then, outline your marketing plan. How will you reach your target market? This could be through social media, email marketing, or search engine optimization. The choices are vast, and each comes with its own set of benefits. Finally, set financial goals. How much do you expect to make in the first year? How about the second year? Having these goals gives you something to strive for and helps keep your business on track. Research and gather as much information as possible during this phase. With a solid business plan in place, you're ready to launch your online business. Launching your online business is a thrilling step in your entrepreneurial journey. It's time to bring your vision to life by building a compelling website. This is your digital storefront, your first impression to potential customers. Make it count. Next, you'll want to create engaging content that resonates with your target audience. This could be informative articles, creative videos, or anything in between, as long as it provides value and encourages interaction. Setting up social media profiles is another crucial step. This is where you'll connect with your audience, share updates, and promote your offerings. Choose platforms that best align with your business and audience. Finally, it's time to implement your marketing plan. Whether you're using SEO, email marketing, or social media advertising, remember that consistency is key. And don't forget, the online business landscape is always changing. Embrace continuous learning and adapt to these changes to stay ahead of the curve. Congratulations! You're now the proud owner of an online business. Your journey has just begun.